Here we go again. Trying hard, but you
Hi
wanna
guys,
be.
welcome back to my channel Queen Beliza. This is me Shazia. Hope everybody is doing well. In today's video, to be consistent and not skipping on my videos, I came up with this beautiful mauvish and turquoise greenish eye makeup look, which is a very festive and occasion based makeup look. So if you want to know in very basic steps how I got this look, let's just dive into the video now. Do keep watching this video. Prep my skin, I'm using the Neutrogena's Capsulin Serum to give myself a beautiful massage in circular direction so that my foundation glides on beautifully onto my skin and makes my foundation look very beautiful and seamless. Next up, to give an extra amount of hydration, I am using the Max Stroke Cream in the shade Pink Light, and I am applying it on the high points of my face and massaging it in circular directions to give myself an extra added glow from within type of look so that my foundation and my entire makeup looks very beautiful and airbrushed like. For foundation for this particular look, I am choosing the Sugar's Ace of Base foundation stick. This is a full coverage foundation stick, so this is going to give me a flawless airbrush type of finish for this particular look. You can see how the foundation is blending seamlessly into my skin. This is because the use of Max Stroke Cream with the help of the foundation stick makes your foundation glide beautifully like butter soft on your skin. So you can see the difference on both sides.
Look, if you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one
To cover up my dark circles and the hyperpigmentation which is there on my face, the discoloration which appears and peeps through my foundation, I'm going to use the NYX HD concealer and you're going to see the effect in just a while.
I can help you out. I can help you out. I can help you out. I can help you out.
So there you go, you will get a flawless base with just 2 basic steps.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be.
So next up, to set my concealer and to bake my concealer, I'm going to use the Becca's setting powder to seal my concealer into place and to make it bulletproof.
I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change.
Moving on next to the best feature of the face, that is the eyes, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty's Mercury Retrograde palette to create this beautiful turquoise and mauvish makeup look. This is hands down the best pigmented palette I have come across. If you are an eyeshadow lover like me, you should invest in such type of palette. This is worth the. I'm starting the look with a very neutral color from the palette and I'm going to apply this on the entire eyelid so that the crease shade builds up very beautifully on this neutral shade. Now picking up this mauve shade from the palette, I'm going to quickly apply this as a transition shade and I'm going to apply this on my crease to give my look an ombre effect, and I'm going to blend it in circular motions as you all know. Now to make everything seamless, you need to blend, blend and blend. Blending is the key to flawless eye makeup. Now picking up the darkest shade from the palette, I'm going to build the outer corner of the eye with the help of a tapered small brush to give a dimension to the eye look.
I can help you out. I can help you out.
help of a fluffy brush, I'm going to now blend all the colors together to make it look very. To highlight the eyeball area, I'm going to use this turquoise shimmery shade from the palette. With the help of the ring finger, I'm going to use Fix Plus so that I get extra pigment out of it, and I'm going to use this on the eyeball area and I'm going to blend it very seamlessly into my skin. Pigmentation is really bomb, as you can see. I'm again going to blend everything together with the help of a fluffy brush to see that there are no harsh lines in my eyeshadow. For that pop of inner corner highlight, I'm going to use this silverish pinkish shade from the palette. With the help of my finger, I'm going to highlight the inner corner area to brighten up my look and to pop my inner eyes. For my liner today, I'm going to use this green eyeliner from Mikaiche Cosmetics to give my eye look a very beautiful definition and to amplify it even more.
Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again.
To complete this entire eye look, I'm going to use Maybelline Colossal Mascara to give my lashes a lengthening effect and to open up my eyes.
Wanna change. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't.
Next up for the brows, I'm using the Nykaa's Oh My Brow Mascara to fill in my brows and also to set it for the entire day. For my blush, I'm using the Makeup Revolution blush palette, which is in the shade Sugar and Spice. I'm going to mix both these shades on a very fluffy blush brush, and I'm going to dust off the excess and apply it on the apples of my cheeks. And not forgetting my nose. As you all know, I love to apply blush on my nose, and I'm giving a sweeping motion to my brush so that the blush applies very beautifully onto my cheeks.
Call me up and you wanna be my friend.
For my highlighter, I'm using this pinkish silvery shade in the palette, which is very beautiful on all the high points of my face. You all know by now that I am literally a highlighter girl, so applying a beautiful highlighter at any occasion makes up my mood, and I really enjoy applying highlighters. Trust me, I am a highlighter girl.
I can help you out.
For my lips, I'm going to use the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in the shade 230 Transformer as a lipstick shade.
I can help you out. 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 I can help you out.
To set my makeup for the entire day, I'm using Pack Fixing Spray on my entire face to make it very bulletproof. So here's the final look, guys. I hope you liked this video, and I hope you liked all the tips and tricks which I showed you. This was a self-explanatory video. I hope you liked it. If you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.